Snoring. Do you think it is just annoying? It could be more dangerous than that. Hi, this is Dr. Sriram Vijaypuri, your lung and heart specialist at Therrapie Multispeciality Clinic. Snoring is just not annoying to your partner. It could mean something dangerous and bad is happening for your heart and lungs. It could mean that there could be a disease called sleep apnea syndrome, which you could be suffering from, and also pulmonary hypertension, where heart and lungs are under stress. Kindly get evaluated and it can be treated very well. Thank you.